Join me as I dive into the world of AI and challenge myself to predict which jobs will thrive in the future. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword, it's a reality that's transforming the way we live and work. As AI continues to grow in power and sophistication, it's raising important questions about the future of employment. Will our jobs be replaced by machines? Or will we find new ways to work alongside them? One thing is certain, traditional jobs are facing unprecedented challenges in the age of automation. With machines capable of processing vast amounts of data in seconds, many tasks that were once the exclusive domain of humans are being taken over by AI. This is especially true in industries where repetition and routine are key, such as manufacturing and data entry. As AI takes over these tasks, many workers are finding themselves redundant. The impact of AI is already being felt in sectors like customer service, where chatbots are becoming increasingly prevalent. These AI-powered systems can handle customer inquiries 24/7, often with greater speed and accuracy than their human counterparts. Meanwhile, in healthcare, AI is being used to analyze medical images and diagnose diseases with uncanny precision. While these advances are undoubtedly exciting, they're also forcing many professionals to rethink their roles. As AI continues to disrupt traditional occupations, it's also creating new opportunities that we never could have imagined. Take, for example, the rise of machine learning engineers, a job title that didn't exist just a decade ago. These specialists are responsible for designing and training the AI systems that are revolutionizing industries from finance to transportation. Similarly, the growth of AI has led to an increased demand for experts in data science and analytics, who can help organizations make sense of the vast amounts of data generated by AI systems. Let's take a closer look at some of the industries where AI is making a significant impact. In finance, AI-powered systems are being used to detect fraudulent transactions and provide personalized investment advice. In transportation, AI is being used to develop autonomous vehicles that can navigate complex road networks with ease. And in healthcare, AI is being used to personalize medical treatment plans and develop new drugs. Take the example of IBM, which has successfully integrated AI into its workforce. By automating routine tasks, the company has been able to free up its employees to focus on higher value work, such as creative problem solving and strategy development. As a result, IBM has seen a significant increase in productivity and employee satisfaction. This is just one example of how AI can be used to augment human capabilities, rather than replace them. So what does the future hold for workers in an AI-driven economy? The key is to develop skills that are complementary to AI, such as creativity, empathy, and critical thinking. By upskilling and reskilling, we can ensure that we remain relevant in a world where machines are increasingly capable of performing tasks on their own. In conclusion, AI is transforming the workforce in ways both exciting and unsettling. While it's natural to feel anxious about the future, it's also important to recognize the enormous opportunities that AI presents. By embracing these changes and developing the skills we need to thrive, we can create a future where humans and machines work together in harmony. Thanks for watching, and be sure to share your thoughts about AI in the workplace in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about the skills you'll need to thrive in an AI-driven economy, be sure to check out our other video on future job skills.